Okay, students, good morning to all. Welcome to online class, students. Today we discuss quadratic equations, class 3 students. Students, ఎవరైనా సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేస్తే మై ఛానల్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి స్టూడెంట్స్. వీడియోని స్కిప్ చేయకుండా లాస్ట్ వరకు చూడండి, మీకు యూజ్ అవుతుంది స్టూడెంట్స్. మంచి ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ ఉంటుంది. సో ఎక్కడ వీడియో స్కిప్ చేయకుండా లాస్ట్ వరకు చూడండి స్టూడెంట్స్. రిక్వెస్ట్ ఆల్ ద స్టూడెంట్స్ వాచ్ మై వీడియో టిల్ టు ఎండ్ స్టూడెంట్స్. Okay, students, find a quadratic equation which the sum of the roots is 7 and the sum of the squares of the roots is 25. Students, alpha comma beta are the roots. Then quadratic equation is x square minus x into students. Alpha comma beta are the roots. Let alpha comma beta be the roots. So quadratic equation is, required equation is formula x square minus x into alpha plus beta plus alpha into beta is equal to 0. Alpha comma beta are the roots. Then quadratic equation is x square minus x into alpha plus beta plus alpha into beta is equal to 0. Students, here given sum of the roots is 7. Alpha plus beta is equal to 7. And the sum of the squares of the roots, alpha beta are the roots. Sum of the squares of the roots is equal to alpha square plus beta square. So alpha square plus beta square is equal to 25. Students, alpha plus beta is equal to 7. కానీ ఇక్కడ మనకి ఆల్ఫా బీటా ఇవ్వలేదు. దీన్ని క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేయాలి ఫస్ట్ స్టూడెంట్స్. ఆల్ఫా బీటా క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేయాలంటే మనం ఆల్ఫా స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ బీటా స్క్వేర్ ఇస్ ఈక్వల్ 25 స్టూడెంట్స్. ఆల్ఫా స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ బీటా స్క్వేర్ ఇస్ ఈక్వల్ స్టూడెంట్స్. ఈ కండిషన్ నుంచి మనం ఆల్ఫా బీటా క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేయాలి. Alpha square plus beta square is equal to alpha plus beta whole square. A square plus b square is equal to a plus b whole square minus 2ab. Alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta is equal to 25. Students, alpha beta is equal to 7. 7 square minus 2 into alpha beta is equal to, students, alpha beta is equal to 2 into alpha beta is equal to 25. Students, 49 minus 25 is equal to alpha beta. Students, even left hand side this question, then right hand side this column. 49 minus 25 is equal, students, 24. 24 is equal to alpha beta. So 2 12s are 24. Alpha beta is equal to 12, students. So equation is, so quadratic equation is x square minus x into alpha plus beta plus alpha into beta is equal to 0. X square minus x into alpha plus beta is equal to 7 plus alpha into beta is equal to 12. So x square minus 7x plus 12 is equal to 0. Okay, so next problem, solve the equation x square plus 1 by x square, x square plus 1 by x square minus 5 into x plus 1 by x plus 6 is equal to 0. Students, x plus 1 by x whole square is equal to x square plus 1 by x square plus 2. Students, first take this value is equal to y. X plus 1 by x is equal to y, students. Let me write it simplify చేయొచ్చు. So x plus 1 by x is equal to y. X squaring on both sides, x plus 1 by x whole square is equal to y square. A plus b whole square, a square plus b square plus 2ab plus 2x into 1 by x is equal to y square. So x get cancel. X square plus 1 by x square is equal to y square. Take this value on right hand side minus 2. Students, x square plus 1 by x square, students, x square plus 1 by x square is equal to y square minus 2 minus 5 into x plus 1 by x is equal to y plus 6 is equal to 0. Students, solve this equation. Students, y square minus 5y minus 2 plus 6 plus 4 is equal to 0. Plus 4 is equal to 0. Factors students y square 4 ones 4 plus 1 5. So 5y is equal to minus 4y minus y plus 4 is equal to 0. Take y common, y into y minus 4 minus 1 into y minus 4 is equal to 0. So y minus 4 common this now. Y minus 4 into y minus 1 is equal to 0. So y minus 4 is equal to 0. Y is equal to 4. Y is equal to 4. Student, what is the value of y? Students, here y minus 4 is equal to 0, y is equal to 4. Y is equal to, students, x plus 1 by x is equal to y. X plus 1 by x is equal to y. Here LCM is x. So x into x, x square plus 1 is equal to, student, x plus 1 by x is equal to 4. Is equal to 4. Student, screenshot చేసుకోండి. X square plus 1 is equal to 4x. X square minus 4x plus 1 is equal to 0. X square minus 4x plus 1 is equal to 0. Students, factors రావడానికి మనం ax roots of ax square plus bx plus is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2. This is a value 1, b value minus 4, c value 1. So roots is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. So x is equal to minus b. So minus of, students, minus 4 minus b minus or minus minus 4 plus or minus root of b square minus 4 whole square minus 4 a value 1, c value 1 by 2a, 2 into a value 1, minus into minus plus 4 plus or minus minus 4 whole square, students, 16, 16 minus 4 by 2, 4 plus or minus root 16 minus 4, 12. So 12 is equal to 4 into 3. Root 4, 2. So 2 root 3 by 2. 2 root 3 by 2. So 4 plus or minus root 12. Root 12 is equal, students. Root 12 is equal 4 into 3. Root 4, 2. 2 root 3 by 2. 2 root 3 by 2. That is equal to, take 2 common, 2 plus or minus root 3 by 2. So 2 to get cancelled, 2 plus or minus root 3, students. Students, y is equal 4, but y is equal x plus 1 by x. X plus 1 by x is equal 4. Students, y minus 4 is equal 0, y is equal 4. Next, y minus 1 is equal 0. Students, next, y minus 1 is equal 0. Next, students, y minus 1 is equal 0. Y is equal 1. What is the value of y, students? X plus 1 by x is equal 1. So LCM is x. X square plus 1 is equal 1. Students, x square plus 1 is equal x. X square minus x plus 1 is equal 0. X square minus x plus 1 is equal 0. Okay, students, screenshot చేయండి. Students, x square minus x plus 1 is equal 0. Ax square, a value 1, b value minus 1, c value 1. So roots of ax square plus bx plus c is equal minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. So x is equal minus b minus of minus 1 plus or minus root of b square minus 1 whole square minus 4a 1, c value 1 by 2a, 2 into a value 1. So minus into minus 1, minus into minus plus 1 plus or minus root of 1 square, students, 1 minus 4 by 2 by 2. 1 plus or minus, students, root of 1 minus 4 minus 3 by 2. 1 plus or minus minus 1. Minus 1 is equal I square. I square into 3 by 2. So 1 plus or minus root I square I root 3 by 2. So 1 plus or minus I root 3 by 2. Students, here degree, fourth degree equation. So 4 roots, 2 plus or minus root 3, 1 plus or minus I root 3 by 2. Screenshot and students. Next question. Solve the equation 2x power 4 plus x to the power of 3. Students, second Roman, question number 3. Solve the equation 2x power 4 plus x cube minus 11x square plus x plus 2 is equal to 0. Plus x plus 2 is equal to 0. Students, this is fourth degree equation. So fourth degree equation has 4 roots. Students, here calculate 4 roots, friends. Students, మన నెక్స్ట్ చాప్టర్ థియరీ ఆఫ్ ఈక్వేషన్ వస్తుంది. సో థియరీ ఆఫ్ ఈక్వేషన్ మనకి రెసిప్రోకల్ ఈక్వేషన్ ఒక టాపిక్ ఉంది. సో రెసిప్రోకల్ ఈక్వేషన్ ఫస్ట్ టైప్, సెకండ్ టైప్. స్టూడెంట్స్, ఫస్ట్ టైప్ మీన్స్ మనం ఇంకా క్లియర్ గా మన థియరీ ఆఫ్ ఈక్వేషన్ డిస్కస్ చేయొచ్చు. స్టూడెంట్స్ x power 4 coefficient 2 constant, these two are equal, students. Next coefficient 1 1 equal, students. ఇలా ఉంటే మనకి అది రెసిప్రోకల్ ఈక్వేషన్ ఫస్ట్ టైప్ అవుతుంది. స్టూడెంట్స్ ai is equal to an minus I. ai is equal to an minus I, then that reciprocal equation is called reciprocal equation of first type. ai is equal to an minus I, then that reciprocal equation is called reciprocal equation first type. Students, suppose I am taking I is equal to, suppose degree 4, n is equal 4, I is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, students. First taking I is equal 0, a naught, n is equal 4, I is equal 0, a4, a naught is equal to a4. Student, comparing this equation with a naught into x power 4, a1 into x cube plus a2 into x square plus a3 into x plus a4 is equal to 0. Students, a naught is equal to a4. So a naught to a4 to a naught is equal to a4. Next, students, I is equal to 1, n is fixed, students, n is equal to 4, I is equal to 1, a1 is equal, n is equal to 4, 4 minus I is equal to 1, a1 is equal to a3, students. This is a1, this is a3, a1 is equal to a3. Students, మనం ఇంకా క్లియర్గా థియరీ ఆఫ్ ఈక్వేషన్ డిస్కస్ చేయొచ్చు. మనకి రెసిప్రోకల్ ఈక్వేషన్ జస్ట్ మనం ఫస్ట్ ఇచ్చిన ఈక్వేషన్ లో ఎక్స్ ప్లేస్ లో 1/x రాస్తాం. స్టూడెంట్స్, సపోజ్ మనం ఎంత డిగ్రీ పాలినామియల్ తీసుకుంటే f of x is equal a naught into x power n plus a1 into x power n minus 1. So reciprocal equation first type ai is equal to an minus I, then that reciprocal equation is called first type. So ai is equal to an minus I, then that reciprocal equation is called reciprocal equation first type. Students, నేను ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఫోర్త్ డిగ్రీ ఈక్వేషన్ తీసుకుంటున్నా. n is equal to 4. Students, I is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Students, n is equal to 4, I is equal to 0, a naught is equal to a4, I is equal to 1, n is equal to 4, a1 is equal to a3. ఇలా వస్తుంది. స్టూడెంట్స్, మనం ఇంకా క్లియర్ గా థియరీ ఆఫ్ ఈక్వేషన్ డిస్కస్ చేయొచ్చు. స్టూడెంట్, దిస్ ఇస్ reciprocal equation of first type even degree. Students, first type even degree is called standard reciprocal equation. This is first type. First type even degree is called standard reciprocal equation, students. So standard reciprocal equation మనం ఏంటంటే ఫస్ట్ డివైడ్ చేయాలి. స్టూడెంట్స్, మనకి ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ ఇప్పుడు ఇది అవసరం లేదు, ఇక్కడ మనకి థియరీ ఆఫ్ ఈక్వేషన్ లో వస్తుంది. స్టూడెంట్స్, దిస్ ఇస్ స్టాండర్డ్ రెసిప్రోకల్ ఈక్వేషన్. ఏమైనా స్టూడెంట్స్, 2 ఈక్వల్, కోఎఫిషియంట్ 1 1 ఈక్వల్, దిస్ ఇస్ రెసిప్రోకల్ ఈక్వేషన్ ఫస్ట్ టైప్. ఫస్ట్ టైప్ ఈవెన్ డిగ్రీ. ఫస్ట్ టైప్ ఈవెన్ డిగ్రీ మనం ఏమంటే స్టాండర్డ్ రెసిప్రోకల్ ఈక్వేషన్. ఫస్ట్ టైప్ ఈవెన్ డిగ్రీ ఇస్ కాల్డ్ స్టాండర్డ్ రెసిప్రోకల్ ఈక్వేషన్. చూడండి మీకు క్లియర్ గా అర్థమవుతుంది. ఇక్కడ 2 ఇక్కడ 2 కోఎఫిషియెంట్స్ ఈక్వల్, ఇక్కడ 1 1 ఈక్వల్, ఇలా ఉంటే దాన్ని ఏమంటే రెసిప్రోకల్ ఈక్వేషన్ ఫస్ట్ టైప్. సో రెసిప్రోకల్ ఈక్వేషన్ ఫస్ట్ టైప్ ఈవెన్ డిగ్రీ ఇస్ కాల్డ్ స్టాండర్డ్ రెసిప్రోకల్ ఈక్వేషన్. సో మనం స్టాండర్డ్ రెసిప్రోకల్ ఈక్వేషన్స్ డివైడింగ్ బై ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్, ఈ మోడల్ మనం ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్ తో డివైడ్ చేయాలి. స్టూడెంట్స్ ఏం లేదు స్టూడెంట్స్, ఇక్కడ మనం ఒక ఈక్వేషన్ రూట్స్ క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేయడానికి డిఫరెంట్ మెథడ్స్ అంతే. సో దాంట్లో మనకి రెసిప్రోకల్ ఈక్వేషన్ ఆఫ్ ఫస్ట్ టైప్ ఈవెన్ డిగ్రీస్ ఏం చేయాలంటే డివైడింగ్ బై ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్ చేయాలి. డివైడింగ్ బై ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్. స్టూడెంట్స్ ప్రజెంట్ అయితే మీకు ఇదంతా ఏం అవసరం లేదు. సో ఈ ప్రాబ్లం మనం ఏం చేయాలి, డివైడింగ్ బై ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్. డివైడింగ్ బై ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్. Students, x square divided 2x power 4 by x square plus x to the power of 3 by x square minus 11x square by x square plus x by x square plus 2 by x square is equal to 0. Dividing by x square. Students, even degree. Students, x power 4 coefficient 2 constant 2 equal x to the power of 3 coefficient 1 1. This is standard reciprocal equation first type. So first type standard reciprocal equation is dividing by x square. Next students, 2x square get cancelled, x minus 11, here x get cancelled, 1 by x plus 2 by x square is equal to 0. Friends, 2x square plus 2 by x square, take 2 common, x square plus 1 by x square plus x plus 1 by x minus 11 is equal to 0. Student, మనం చేసిన ప్రీవియస్ మోడల్ ప్రాబ్లం, అందుకే నేను ఈ ప్రాబ్లం చేస్తున్నాను. స్టూడెంట్స్, x square plus 1 by x square, x plus 1 by x minus 11. ఈ మోడల్ ఏం చేస్తున్నాను, x plus 1 by x is equal to y. x plus 1 by x is equal to y. Students, squaring on both sides, x plus 1 by x whole square is equal to, స్టూడెంట్స్ ఇది ఎందుకు స్క్వేర్ చేస్తున్నట్టు మనం ఈ వాల్యూ క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేస్తాం. ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ 1 బై ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్ ఇది క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేయడం కోసం నేను దీన్ని ఈ వాల్యూ మనం క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేయాలి కదా, దీన్ని స్క్వేర్ చేస్తే దాని నుంచి ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ 1 బై ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్ వస్తుంది. దాని వాల్యూ ఇక్కడ సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేస్తాం స్టూడెంట్స్. సో ఎక్స్ ప్లస్ 1 బై ఎక్స్ హోల్ స్క్వేర్ ఇస్ ఈక్వల్ టు ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ 1 బై ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్ plus 2x into 1 by x is equal to y square. So x square plus 1 by x square is equal to y square minus 2. Students, the equation number 1. So 2 into x square plus 1 by x square. 2 into. So put x square plus 1 by x square is equal to y square minus 2. Equation number 1 implies 2 into x square plus 1 by x square. Y square minus 2 plus x plus 1 by x. Y minus 11 is equal to 0. Minus 11 is equal to 0. Student, this is 2y square plus y minus 4 minus 11 minus 15 is equal to 0. Minus 15 is equal to 0. Students, screenshot change, students. స్టూడెంట్స్, x ప్లస్ 1 బై x ఈక్వల్ y వాల్యూ క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేస్తాం, మళ్ళీ ఇక్కడ సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ సాల్వ్ చేయాలి. స్క్రీన్ షాట్ చేసుకోండి స్టూడెంట్స్. సో 2y 15 into 2 30 factors 6 5s. So 2y square, student, 2y square plus 6y minus 5y minus 15 is equal to 0. Taking 2y common, y plus 3, here minus 5 common, so y plus 3 is equal to 0. So y plus 3 common, y plus 3 into 2y minus 5 is equal to 0. So y plus 3 is equal to 0. 2y minus 5 is equal to 0. So 2y is equal to 5. Y is equal to 5 by 2. Students, what? Y is equal to minus 3. or y plus 3 is equal. What is the value of y, students? X plus 1 by x. X plus 1 by x is equal to y. Student, y is equal x plus 1 by x plus 3 is equal to 0. LCM is x. Here x square plus 1 plus 3x is equal to 0. Cross multiply x square plus 3x, x square plus 3x plus 1 is equal to 0. X square plus 3x plus 1 is equal to 0. Okay, so solving this equation, ax square, a is equal 1, b is equal to 3, c value 1. So roots is equal formula x is equal minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a minus b minus 3 plus or minus root of b square 3 square minus 4a value 1, c value 1 by 2a minus 3 plus or minus root of 9 minus 4 5 by 2. So minus 3 plus or minus root 5 by 2 students. Students, y plus 3 is equal to solving the equation 3 root 2 root students minus 3 plus or minus root 5 by 2. Next, y is equal 5 by 2. Y is equal to 5 by 2. What is y, students? X plus 1 by x is equal to 5 by 2. Student, LCM is x. Here x square plus 1 is equal to 5 by 2. Okay, students, screenshot hand. Students, cross multiply 2x square. So 2 into x square plus 1. 2x square plus 2 is equal to 5x. Student, 2x square. Take this one left hand side minus 5x plus 2 is equal to 0. Student, 2x square factors 2 2s are 4. 4 plus 1 5. Minus 4x minus x plus 2 is equal to 0. Taking 2x common, x minus 2 minus 1 common, x minus 2 is equal to 0. So x minus 2 common, x minus 2 into 2x minus 1 is equal to 0. X minus 2 is equal to 0, x is equal to 2. When 2x minus 1 is equal to 0, 2x is equal to 1, x is equal to 1 by 2. Therefore, roots, total 4 roots, 2, 1 by 2, minus 3 plus or minus root 5 by 2. Question screenshot చేసుకోండి. Next problem. Solve the equation 3 power 1 plus x plus 3 power 1 minus x is equal to 10. 3 power 1 plus x plus 3 power 1 minus x is equal to 10. Students, a power m plus n is equal to a power m into a power n, 3 power x. A power m minus n is equal to a power m by a power n. A power m by a power n. Student, I am taking 3 power x is equal to y, students. Let me daddy go try this, students. So 3 power x is equal to y. This is 3y plus 3 by y is equal to 10. So 3 power x is equal to y. 3y plus 3 by y is equal to 10. Here LCM is y. 3y square plus 3 is equal to 10. Okay, students, cross multiply 3y square plus 3 is equal 10y. 3y square minus 10y plus 3 is equal 0. Students, solve the equation. 3 3s are 9. 9 plus 1 10. 3y square minus 9y minus 5 plus 3 is equal 0. Students, take 3y common. Y minus 3. Students, here minus 1 common. Y minus 3 is equal 0. Students, y minus 3 common. 3y minus 1 is equal 0. Students, y minus 3 is equal 0. Y is equal to 3. Students, y is equal to 3. What is the value of y? 3 power x. 3 power x is equal to 3. Students, 3 power 1. Here bases are equal, then powers are equal. What is the value of students? X is equal to 1. Here bases are equal, then powers are equal. X is equal to 1. Next, student, 3y minus 1 is equal to 0. 3y is equal to 1. Y is equal to 1 by 3. What is the value of y? Y is equal to 3 power x. 1 by 3 is equal to 3 power minus 1. So x is equal to minus 1. X is equal to minus 1. Students, screenshot and question next problem. Solve 4 power x minus 1 minus 3 into 2 power x minus 1 plus 2 is equal to 0. Student, 4 power x minus 1 is equal to a power m minus n is equal to a power m by a power n. So minus 3 into a power m minus n, a power m by a power 1, a power n plus 2 is equal to 0. Students, 4 is equal to 2 square. 2 square whole power x by 4 minus 3 into 2 power x by 2 plus 2 is equal to 0. Students, 2 square whole power x is equal to students 2 power x whole square by 4 minus 3 into 2 power x by 2 plus 2 is equal to 0. Friend, 2 square whole power x 2 power x whole square. Friend, I am taking 2 power x is equal to y. 2 power x is equal to y. So 2 power x is equal to y. Y square by 4 minus 3 into y by 2 plus 2 is equal to 0. So in 2 power x is equal to y square by 4 minus 3 into y by 2 plus 2 is equal to 0. So LCM is 4, y square. Friends, here LCM is 4 is 2. 3 into 2, 6y plus 4 is equal to 0 plus 8 is equal to 0. So y square minus 6y plus 8 is equal to 0 into 4, 0. 0 into 4 is equal to 0. Y square minus 6y plus 8 is equal to 0. Student, 4 2s are 8. Y square minus 4y minus 2y plus 8 is equal to 0. 4 plus 2, 6, 4 2s are 8. Take y common, y into y minus 2, minus 2 into y minus 4. Students, sorry, y minus 4. Y into y minus 4. Students, y minus 4 common, y minus 4 into y minus 2 is equal to 0. So y minus 4 is equal to 0 or y minus 2 is equal to 0. Students, do screenshot. Students, y minus 4 is equal to 0. Y is equal to 4. But y is equal to 2 power x. 2 power x is equal to 4. 4 is equal to 2 square. So 2 power x is equal to 2 square. X is equal to 2. Next, y minus 2 is equal to 0. Y is equal to, what is y? 2 power x. So 2 power 1. X is equal to 1. X is equal to 1 comma 2. Next one, solve the equation root of x by x minus 3. Next question number 6. Root of x by x minus 3 plus root of x minus 3 by x is equal to 5 by 2. When x not is equal to 0 and x not is equal to 3. Solve the equation. Next problem, students. Solve the equation. Students, this is root x by x minus 3. This is x minus 3 by x. So then reverse again, students. Suppose root x by x minus 3 is equal to y, students. So this is 1 by y. Students, y plus 1 by y is equal to 5 by 2. Y plus 1 by y is equal to 5 by 2. Student, y, what is y, students? Root of x by x minus 3 is equal to y. Next value is reciprocal, 1 by y. Y plus 1 by y is equal to 5 by 2. Students, solve this equation. Here LCM is y. Y square plus 1 is equal to 5 by 2. Cross multiply 2y square plus 2 is equal to 5y. 2y square plus 2 is equal to 5y. Students, screenshot. Y is equal to root of, student, y is equal to root of x by x minus 3. Okay, students. 2y square minus 5y plus 2 is equal. Take this one left hand side. So 2y square. Students, 2 2s are 4. 4 plus 1, 5. Minus 4y minus y plus 2 is equal to 0. So take 2y common. 2y into y minus 2. Here minus 1 common. Y minus 2 is equal to 0. So y minus 2 common. 2y minus 1 is equal to 0. So y minus 2 is equal to 0. Or 2y minus 1 is equal to 0. Student, y minus 2 is equal to 0. Y is equal to, what is y, students? Root of x by x minus 3 is equal to. So squaring on both sides, x minus x by 3 is equal to 2 square 4. Cross multiply, x is equal to 4 into x minus 3. Students, x is equal to 4x minus 12. So take this one left hand side, 12 plus 12 is equal to 4x minus x. So 12 is equal to 3x. 3 4s are 12. X is equal to 4. X is equal to 4. Screenshot, students. Y is equal to, next. Students, 2y minus 1 is equal to 0. Next, 2y minus 1 is equal to 0. 2y is equal to 1. Y is equal to 1 by 2. Y is equal, students, root of x by x minus 3 is equal to 1 by 2. So squaring on both sides, x by x minus 3 is equal to, students, square root get cancelled, 1 by 4. Cross multiply, 4x is equal to x minus 3, students. Students, take this one left hand side. 4x minus x is equal to minus 3. 4x minus x. 3x is equal to minus 3, students. X is equal to minus 1. X is equal to minus 1. Minus 1 comma 4. Screenshot, students. Okay, so Roman number 1, question number 5. Find the values of m. Find the values of m for which the following equations. For which the following equations have equal roots. Have equal roots. Have equal roots. Question number 1. X square minus 15 minus m into 2x minus 8 is equal to 0. Find the values of m for which the following equation have equal roots. Students, equal roots delta is equal to 0. Equal roots delta is equal to 0. Students, what is delta? B square minus 4s is equal to 0. Students, x square minus 15 minus 2mx minus into minus plus 8m. Students, x square minus 2mx minus 15 plus 8m is equal to 0. Students, roots are equal. Roots are equal. So roots are equal. Delta is equal to 0. So delta is equal to b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. Students, this is ax square plus bx plus c. A is equal to, students, a value 1. B is equal to minus 2m. C is equal to minus 15 plus 8m. Ax square plus bx plus c. So b square, b is equal minus 2m whole square minus 4a, a value 1, c value minus 15 plus 8m is equal to 0. Minus 2m whole square, students, 4m square, minus into minus plus 4 15s are 16, minus 32m is equal to 0. Students, dividing by 4, m square minus 8m plus dividing by 4 plus 15 is equal to 0. Plus 15 is equal to 0. M square factor, students, 5 3s are 15. M square minus 5m minus 3m plus 15 is equal to 0. Take m common, m into m minus 5 minus 1 common, minus 3 common, m minus 5 is equal to 0. So m minus 5 common, m minus 5 into m minus 3 is equal to 0. So m minus 5 is equal to 0 or m minus 3 is equal to 0. So m minus 5 is equal to 0, m is equal to 5 or m minus 3 is equal to 0, m is equal to 3. M is equal to 3 or 5. Students, roots are equal, delta is equal to 0. స్టూడెంట్స్ ఎక్కడ స్కిప్ చేయకుండా లాస్ట్ వరకు చూడండి. ఎవరైనా సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయొద్దు, మా ఛానల్ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి, బెల్ కొట్టండి, నెక్స్ట్ ఆల్ తీసుకోండి. స్టూడెంట్స్ మీకు ఏదైనా డౌట్స్ ఉన్నా వాట్సాప్ చేయొచ్చు. నెక్స్ట్ మీకు ఆల్రెడీ ఈ ప్లేలిస్ట్లో మీరు క్వాడ్రాటిక్ ఈక్వేషన్స్ కొడితే కంప్లీట్గా మీరు క్వాడ్రాటిక్ ఈక్వేషన్ డౌట్స్ ఉన్నా రిమైనింగ్ 2 వీడియోస్ కూడా మీరు మళ్ళీ చూడండి. ఏమైనా డౌట్స్ ఉంటే చూడండి, ఎక్కడ స్కిప్ చేయకుండా లాస్ట్ వరకు చూడండి స్టూడెంట్స్. ఓకే స్టూడెంట్స్, స్క్రీన్ షాట్ చేయండి ప్రాబ్లం. Okay students, end the class.